going on, guys? If you guys couldn't tell by this giant box and the title of this video, we got a package in today. Actually came in like 3 days ago, but I've been working 6 days a week, so I really haven't had time to even open it or see what it looks like or look at quality or anything. So we're gonna do this together today. So today we got the Bayson R STI style side skirts. Now, when looking at side skirts, I was going through a bunch of different options, and I was gonna go with the Carbon Creations one, but they were really expensive because Carbon Creations. And also they might have only been for wide body, and I really couldn't find much information on them, and my car's not wide body yet. So I wanted to stay true with the Subaru, I guess, styling of my car. I was gonna go with a TRD styled side skirt, but again, I kind of want to stay true with the style of like my brand, and I kind of wanted to have like a certain flow in my car now. So depending on quality of this, I know exactly what parts I'm gonna get for the back of my car, and I already know what I'm gonna get for the front of my car. So the front of my car is gonna be a complete different brand, but I'm planning on ordering that on Friday, so this video is coming out Wednesday. I'm ordering it on Friday because that's when I get paid. So I already know what I'm getting for my front. Hopefully it meshes in good with the sides and the back, but depending on quality of this, I might hit this company up. I've never talked to this company. Usually before I buy a part, I try messaging the company first to see if I can get some sort of discount. Didn't do that this time, but we got this giant box here, and I'm just gonna show you guys how big this thing is. Like, this box is huge. It's like a 7-foot box right here. All right, so we're gonna get to opening this now, and I'm really hoping that this fits well and it looks good, because I made a video when I got rep parts before, and well, this is a replica part, and I said don't ever buy rep parts. Well, STI side skirts for my car cost around $800, I believe, or $700, and I got this for $150. So I'm hoping that this is good. This also isn't polyurethane, it's ABS plastic, so I think the molds will be way more accurate than polyurethane, but I could be completely wrong. But I just hope that these fit well. I was trying looking at reviews, and the reviews I found, they seem to be pretty good. So let's unbox this and see what we got here. So right off the bat, what I'm noticing is these side skirts, they feel solid. And they're definitely more aggressive than I thought they were, which is what I wanted. I wanted more of an aggressive side skirt. You know, I wanted a little protrusion coming out. And right now I can kind of already tell that the quality is gonna be better than the polyurethane front lip I got, because this one has instructions with it, and it has all the mounting hardware with it too. And the other one kind of came with a bag of bolts, and that was it. So this one has, it looks like it has trim, tape, and the mounting hardware and brackets for it. And they already feel pretty good. And looking at this, everything is already, I can't even see, pre-drilled. There's already holes here. I mean, and it feels like it's plastic, it feels fine. But it's like I guess a thicker piece of plastic, so it feels pretty good. So here we have one of the side skirts, and you can see, I guess, that's how much is gonna be sticking out. And that's exactly what I wanted, because I didn't want something that was flush and flat to the body lines. I wanted to create a little bit more of like I guess it's like an arrow effect, because it's what I wanted. I also went with a thicker style because I do have a dent in my rocker panel because I don't know how to drive my car for speed bumps. And this will cover the dent, and I think this is gonna look really clean because it's already designed to fit on a Subaru. Now, I really wish I had time to install this today, but I really don't, because I've been working 6 days a week. So we're just gonna kind of mock these up just to see how they look. I'm really curious if they're gonna fit perfectly. I really hope they do, and I really hope I don't have to do any modification to them, because I don't know really how to work with plastic pieces. The polyurethane, I probably could have figured something out, but I have a different front splitter that I want regardless. So we're gonna go mock these up and see how they look, and I'm really, really hoping that they fit perfectly. But like, look at this hardware. Yeah, it comes with the rubber trim to go on the outside of it so it fits flush every time. It comes with an entire roll of double-sided 3M tape. It goes with all your brackets. It even goes with riv nuts to rivet it on there. I don't know if I really want to rivet this on there because I don't really want to start poking holes all over my car, but we might do it. I'm not really sure. I'm gonna try using pop tabs for the wheel wells of it, because I ordered a bunch of those before in the past, so I have a lot. But let's go see what this looks like on the car, because I'm kind of curious now. I really wish I had a flat driveway to do this, but I don't have a flat driveway at all. So we're just gonna test fit them on there, see how they look. I'm not even gonna tape them on, I'm just gonna hold them there and then look back at the video to see how they look, because I'm not really gonna be able to back up. So let's put these on now. So they definitely do fit kind of weird, but I'm assuming once like they're bolted down and they're kind of flexible enough to match with the body lines, I think it'll be fine. I'm just gonna see what the other side looks like real quick, so I'll be right back. So something that I just found that's kind of really unfortunate. So I really was hoping that I can mount these on using pop tabs in the wheel wells, just so I don't have to drill into anything. And unfortunately, where the holes line up, there's no pop tabs there. So it looks like I'm gonna have to drill into my fender liner, which is a really weird place to drill into, I feel like, but it's gotta be done. Hopefully, I mean, the fitment seemed a little bit weird, but it wasn't like off. It wasn't exactly what I was expecting, but at the same time, I don't know really what I was expecting. They should be good. I am gonna grab some tape, just see if I can tape them on, just so I can get a better look at them, because I'm kind of curious now. So I just taped them on the driver's side. I'm gonna tape them on the passenger side too. And I gotta say, I actually really do like how these look. It's a little bit of aggression that I wanted, and just adds a little bit more. And I like the Subaru style because it also follows the body lines that are already existing here. Yeah, this looks really good, I think. I'll give you guys a look now. First ordered these, I was very skeptical over them because of that little part that goes up. I didn't really like it, but putting it on the car, I actually really do like it now, and I'm super excited to actually be able to install these. So I'll probably be installing these on Thursday or Wednesday, because Wednesday I only work in the morning and Thursday's my day off, so I'll probably be putting them on then. But so far, I'm really happy with them, and I'm gonna message the company and see if I can get a discount on the next part I want to order for the car, because I have another really good idea now. Now what I'm doing right here is more of a ground effects thing, so it's not really like super duper functional, but it makes the car look good, and it's kind of covering up some flaws that I already have with the car. So I'm gonna throw on the other side, and we're gonna see how that looks. The fitment on the passenger side does seem a little bit different than the driver's side, but that could be just because of how I was putting it on. I probably put it on a little bit more sloppy or something. It should be the same though, because when I put them next to each other, they're the same size. So I'm really stoked to be able to put these on. I just wish I had more time to do it today. Fortunately, I do not. But now I'm really excited to see where the rest of my ground effects come. I'm really excited to start ordering more parts. Next thing, we gotta finish the ground effects. So get something for the front, get something for the back. I definitely want to get some wheel spacers because my fitment is complete trash. I'm just afraid that I'm actually gonna have to raise the car a little bit, because I'm pretty sure my rears do tuck, and I don't want to be hitting my fenders because that's just going to cause problems, and I'm not trying to roll and pull fenders at all, but we'll see what happens depending on what kind of spacers I end up going with. I definitely want more aggressive in the back than the front, but we'll see what I can find and what kind of deals I can get. But so far I'm getting really hyped for this because I think this looks so good. I don't know, that's just me. I think they look really good on this, and I'm really excited. So hit up Bayson R. So far, they're a great company. I've never really dealt with them before. I've only heard of them once when I found their website. So I'm probably gonna order some more parts from them. I'm gonna contact them, see if I can get any more deals from them. All right, guys, so I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. I'll catch you guys next time, and peace out.